Today we will learn divisibility rules for 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit in the unit place is 0. Let me give you few numbers. We will check whether those numbers are divisible by 10 or not. So let's check whether these numbers are divisible by 10 or not. So in the first number, we see the unit place is 0. When the unit place is 0, the number is divisible by 10. So the given number is divisible by 10. Let's move to the next number. We see in the unit place is 8, which is not divisible by 10. Let's move to the next number. The next number unit place is 0. In 190, the unit place is 0. So it's divisible by 10. Let's move to the next. The next number is 407. And in 407, the unit place is 7, which is not divisible by 10. And the last number is 10,000. The unit place is 0, which is divisible by 10. This is how we need to check whether the given numbers are divisible by 10 or not. Remember that if the given number is divisible by 10, then that number will also be divisible by 2 and 5. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.